Are you guys trying to delete an app but cannot delete it? Now I'll show you guys what I mean by that. So let's say I'm going to delete this app. I'm tapping on remove app and there is no option to delete the app. If this is what you're facing, this video is for you. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your apps not being deleted. But before that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now let's get started. So what you'll need to do is open up your settings, and after you open your settings, just scroll down till you find screen time. Open up your screen time and scroll down again. Now under restrictions, you will see content and privacy restrictions. Just open it up. Now there you will see iTunes and App Store purchases. Open it up and there you will see deleting apps. Now just open that up too. And there you will see that it's selected on don't allow. So this means that you won't be able to delete your apps. So just select on allow, and after you do that, just wait for a bit. And after you wait for a bit, you should be able to delete the apps. Now let's try that again, and there you go. You can see the delete app option. Just tap on it and confirm the deletion, and there you go, the app's been deleted. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you can fix your apps not being able to delete. And that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.